Okay, so I'm back out at the field. Toby's with me. Let's see what we're gonna pull today. I want to grab something fairly easy. I wish you'd send me that truck over there. Yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah, you seen all the stuff inside? Yeah, a lot of nice stuff. The Chrysler at the fence line would probably be easy. Let me think. This second car right here, this old, it's a 42 Chrysler. Super rare. Everybody tells me that thing is super rare. It's pre-war. Yeah, it's 42. Got a different engine in it, but that thing is going to fall apart when you move it. Let me see. Hold on just a second. Let me think about this. The Chrysler's really cool. Super rare. But I seriously doubt that's the original engine, right? 50. Yeah. Yeah. Somebody was trying to build a hot rod or something out of it. It's 55 4-door. I mean, the quarters are cut off of it, but all the doors are in the back, everything. Yeah. He wouldn't let me have the Lincoln because he's got that other one inside.
Oh, yeah.
I wish I could get to that truck. That truck would be a good one for me to get right now. If we could get this and drag this bitch forward, don't matter where, and then grab that Ford truck maybe.
That Ford the hood up?
Uh-huh. What do you think? Or this? This really, you could do it, right? Move this piece of junk and you can just snatch the truck. Yeah.
Move that out of the way.
Maybe. Your truck's kind of wide. We'll see. Well, you could drag it forward too, right? Yeah. Okay, so I guess I'm going to pull the truck. Some things are just hard to get to. The other truck's still going to be hard to get to. I'd have to move too many things. I'd have to move this to be able to get to the Jeep. And I can't get to the 4-door Nova if anybody wanted it for parts. I have to get it from behind probably. I have to move the boat to get the Biscayne, but it ain't got no wheels and tires. The Impala, I'd have to move this Galaxy to get to it. I mean, the only other ones that I could get would be the 61 Chrysler, this Galaxy 500, get those out of the way so I could get to the Ambassador, and this Lincoln. I'll get to it eventually. Let's just pull a truck today, I guess. I'm sure somebody will want to take it off my hands. I'm sure somebody will want it. It's a nice little Ford truck. It's better than that turquoise one that when he pulled it, he tore the rear end out from underneath of it and the whole bed's messed up on the other side of it. Real nice cab though. Yeah, this one's not too bad. This is one of the first things I was gonna pull, and me and my dad tried to jerk on it and we broke the steering. Yeah, we broke the steering on it, so now the steering wheel just does this. Some little dune buggy, makeshift. Volkswagen something. Yeah. Let's put it up there next to that red car or something. 'Cause then I'd like to get that square body Chevy next to it. A bunch of people ask me on it. Yeah. Be a good parts truck. Might come back for the Bug too. He didn't want to sell the Morris Minors.
Really?
Yeah.
He must have one.
Some kind of Volkswagen, I guess, yeah.
Little bug at one
Okay, so drop this thing right up here somewhere. Out the way. Think about a Falcon wagon. It's pretty cool. Hood's pinched on it. That thing's scrap is what that is.
That's all it is right there. That's all it is. That transmission on that any good.
Right. You could take the transmission off for a core, I guess.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Yeah.
Maybe the little steering box, but
Yeah.
that's it.
The front axle.
Yeah. Trasholini. Okay. I think he can probably sneak in right here. See if there's anything major in the way. This board out of the way. Little square body Chevy right here. It's a little beat up. Doesn't have any hubs on it. But the Ford truck right here, it's got a cool motor in it. It's got 4 wheels and tires, and it's straight for the most part. The fender's a little messed up. Boy, I like how you weaseled that thing in there like that. I say you've been driving for a little while, haven't you? Yeah? They upgraded that license from the Cracker Jack box to a professional one, huh?
Yes, sir. You give it serious.
Well, you was just, your tire, it was real close. I think this one will be easy to get. Sorry, buddy. Pretty solid truck.
It is.
It's got a badass motor in it too. I think it's a 302 maybe. I think this is a stick shift too. Yeah. She's a sticky. Bed doesn't look rotted out. Got a decent tailgate. Watch out. Talking about sucker right up on it. See, what was too hard about that? Nothing when you call him. Man, I'll be out here trying to kill myself, pull one of these cars, ain't got no tires. See, it's so much easier when I call you. I'll be out here trying to kill myself, pull one of these cars, no tires on it, everything's locked up. Yeah. I guess she'll ride like that. Are you pull it forward a little bit more or no? Yeah, I really like this truck. He wouldn't sell it to me. He wouldn't sell it to me. In front of that Chevy. Right there, that guard, that's cool, man. The grill's nice. Strapped on? Ready to rock and roll? Okay, I'll give David the key back and I'll see you at the house. Oh, here. Here you go. Okay, we're strapped on, sucked down, ready to get it. Good job, good job. Didn't touch anything. Okay. Of course, I really wouldn't have cared much about that, but don't want to hurt his Morris Minor. I mean, I got 55 Chevy parts, some good doors, good glass. The front clip's good on it, bumpers. Got this 42 Chrysler. All right, guys, heading back to the house. All right, gotta go. Gotta meet Donnie at the house. Okay, I just got home. I was speeding a little bit to catch up to him. He said he just pulled in. So I told him, yeah, we're just gonna dump it right there. It's a good spot for it. 65 Pontiac Grand Prix, 68 Oldsmobile, 60 Bel Air. Look at that. That's how you turn the wheel. Hey, the steering is still hooked up because the steering wheel's moving. That's a plus. Being stubborn. She's coming though. Watch out. He got a bumper. And now pull it out, it should come out. It was kissing the tire. Yeah. You didn't hurt nothing. Maybe, yeah, it went back down. Have to be readjusted anyway. It's made of metal, yeah. It didn't hurt it.
All right, man. Appreciate it.
Appreciate you.
See you on next one.